Good morning everyone watching in the stream today. It's Friday the 19th of February. Let's see what we can make out of today. Give me 1 second guys, I'll be right back. Good morning everyone on the Zoom as well.
Hey man.
Hey man, how are you man?
Pretty good, but I slept like shit.
Oh really?
Yeah, I'm living close to the main road and I was like awake 4 times. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, sucks a bit.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
And life is so easy sometimes, right?
Yep.
What it is.
Yeah, buys above 700 can look pretty clean, but on the daily time frame this could really not be clear, because we could reject from these levels really easily.
Yeah, that was. Did you look at New York stream yesterday?
Just a little bit. You?
Ted talked about it, that the monthly chart on GJ
Monthly.
is
Yeah,
important
723. You see
because
that?
of all those rejections to the left, like from 147.470 where we are at now,
Yeah.
until like 150. Rejections everywhere on the monthly. So he
Yeah,
said
it's
that,
crazy. Look at this.
yeah, the DJ
Boom.
can turn
Rejection. Resistance, 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 resistance. Yeah, we can turn around easily.
Yeah. Until we turn around, the bias is bullish.
Yeah, until we start seeing bearish market structure.
He also said something like the thing that we also said yesterday, like DJ has already moved so much.
Yeah, okay.
Said in currencies you can't really apply this thinking because of the nature of currencies. Like if it's bullish, it's bullish. Just
Yeah.
accept it and write it up until it's clearly bearish, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd look for probably for sells below here. Look on 30 minutes. Yeah, sells below like 430, and I'll look for buys above 717, preferably yeah, above like that level.
We also had a very consolidating Asian session, which is good for us.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
And then we can expect a breakout again. It's the last couple of times we didn't really have that.
Good morning.
Good morning, man. How are you?
Pretty good. It's Friday. Got some relaxing to do on the weekend.
Nice,
But
nice,
how
nice.
are you, Luke?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Pretty good going to Amsterdam tonight. So just for a day. What?
For some party or?
No, no, just for a small weekend.
Ah, okay.
Just to relax a bit.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. And then Monday, working hard again, you know. Waking up.
Yeah, I need to leave today at like 10 to go to work, so let's see what happens until then.
What type of work do you do after this?
At the moment I'm like, you know, all these schools, they have to apply all this digital stuff now because
Oh yeah, you told me.
Oh yeah, I did? Okay.
Yeah, you told me that. No, wait. Someone else told me that as well. Well, you go ahead. For everyone to.
Basically, I'm taking care of all the computer stuff at this school.
Okay.
Everything from server stuff until, I don't know, how can I print?
Okay.
That's a pretty good job.
Do you focus on elementary schools by any chance?
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Because I
You told me that.
Yeah.
No, I'm working at a high school.
Okay. Yeah, I'm working with this Dutch company. They have they have softwares for elementary schools. So,
Okay.
and I'm trying to bring them over into the Italian market as well because we want to go like European.
Okay.
Yeah, and we're also trying to do it in Germany. We've got a guy over there, so that's why I was curious. I was like, because if you worked in elementary schools, that that would be a nice connection.
I think you do it more professional than I do. I'm
Mm.
I'm just working like a freelancer for the school. I'm not working with a company. I'm just doing it.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. We're
Yeah, I
just
think Luke was thinking about me then.
Yep.
uh, okay. It's funny.
Yeah, sometimes I put things through each other and then don't know who said something. But it is what it is. It's pretty cool to do. I At the moment I just trade. I'm full time trading.
It's nice.
I'm looking for something small, just to have a little bit of um,
Mhm.
fixed income.
For sure.
But yeah, it's pretty hard to find an open store at the moment
Yeah.
that does something.
Yeah. The thing is, like, the work at school, I can go whenever I want, so I can still trade full time mostly. Still
Yeah,
work in the afternoons,
that's
and
pretty nice.
then when the bars open up again, I'm going to work with the barkeeper again. So
Yeah,
I have 2 jobs and still trade full time.
yeah, that's pretty good. What's the best drink you make?
The best drink I make,
Yeah, as a
I
bartender.
actually like created my own one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, ju- just one. It's like I really like sweet drinks, very sweet drinks,
Okay.
and I created a like, do you know whiskey sour?
I know whiskey, but I don't know whiskey sour.
Like, it's whiskey shaked up with egg white.
Okay.
Um, Wait, I need to translate a word. Not sure.
Whiskey and egg white. That sounds really interesting.
Okay, it's just lemon, yeah, lemon and sugar syrup.
Okay.
And since I thought I like orange more than lemon, I just switched it up, added a bit more syrup, and took another whiskey and tried like 20 recipes until I found one. Yeah, it's called Hidden 7.5. Yeah,
Okay.
because it has a lot of whiskey in it, but you don't taste it. It's dangerous.
That's gonna be really dangerous right there.
Yeah. No, but all those drinks with egg white, they're really nice because you have like this foamy stuff on top. Looks really cool.
Okay. Yeah, I
Makes
never
it
had a taste of egg white. Never did that before.
I mean, sounds disgusting, right? But isn't.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound right,
Yeah.
but I've never had it as well.
I've been to the bartender school in Munich. It's very, very interesting.
Yeah, let me put some background music on right there. I don't know what this is, so
The truth.
wait, let me grab my phone real quick. Think it's a bit quiet today on the Zoom as well.
Yeah, seems like.
People are skipping Friday.
I'm actually back in a very good rhythm now, waking up at 7:15 without problems.
Yeah, yeah. I just looked at the left side. 800 can be an issue. So because if you look on the daily time frame, we already know that's if you look on the 4-hour time frame, we pretty much tried tapping that 800 level. And if you look left, that's where it closed pretty much at the level where we tapped already. Exact that level. So
Okay.
we could reject off it, and we need to close above this to have safer buys. Yeah, I know about the news. We got retail sales at 8 o'clock.
Can you see all the way left on the 30-minute? So I can send you a chart.
I
Because
can't. It's too far away from me, probably.
let me send you a chart. I see if we close above 0.700, then it's all right to continue up to like 850, and then there are some rejections at 850 on the 30-minute.
Okay.
That's all the way left.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not a fan. I don't know yet. I need to see what price does.
True. Yeah, I think if we close above, I think probably if we can close above that 4-hour wick at like 0.780, just like we had yesterday, then I think we could.
Yeah. Yeah, I think then with some continuation we can get up to 950. That's the top of the 4-hour candle wick at that range we see on that side. So
950.
yeah, 950 around that level. Then you got like yeah, let's say around 15 pips to eat. I think that's possible, but yeah, this level is not. Yeah, the good thing is that we ranged, so
Where are the
let's see.
gold advisors today? Marcus.
Yeah,
I have a question on gold.
he's probably coming soon. Good morning, Adediran. Yeah, we need to close above this wick for safe buys, because we could easily reject off that level. But I'm really looking forward what retail sales gonna do to us, because it can do a lot. Yeah, we've been ranging since yesterday afternoon, so that's pretty nice. At the end of the day, if buys play out, I'll look at buys, but I'd rather have sells. Sells coming down to like from 433 to 160. That looks a lot cleaner with this clean traffic here. Clean traffic, so yeah. But at the end of the day, we're pushing up right now, so. And the range we are in it's not small. It's like, yeah, 30 pips. So let's see what today can bring us. MSP, are you in for a trade today, or are you gonna say I'm kinda gonna call it a week?
If I get a good confirmation, I'm in for a trade. For
Good,
some
good.
reason, Thursday, Friday, Monday, they've been quite profitable this week, this month.
Yeah. Oh.
Gold also looks pretty good. Continue down, it created low, now it's creating resistance, but there's a little bit of issue to the left.
Yeah. I'm gonna look at gold soon for the people that trade gold. let me take a quick look on gold right here. So what are you looking for, Masterpiece?
So basically, I see that like we created a low on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
So if you back up 30 minutes, it looked cleaner. And now we're creating resistance at this previous range level, and it looks pretty good to continue down. But there's only that issues on the left at like 1770 that it's currently kind of rejected by leaving a wick there.
Wait, this one you mean?
Wait, let me draw it then.
Yeah.
So we see that there's like this level over here, but the
Yeah.
overall bias is like to kind of retest there.
Yeah, you want to retest this level.
Yes, but I'm not looking to take a trade on it because I haven't seen this situation many times
Yeah.
unfold yet. So
Yeah.
let's see how it plays out.
This was perfect when it came down, came back up, closed the bearish 4-hour candle to retest this level. But it didn't look that clean on a 1 hour and stuff. But I think based on breaking this low, you could have gotten in. Look at 4-hour on gold and broke down just a previous support. Where's the chart? You're gonna have the next one because it's not. Yeah. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, most of us are asleep, man. Hello, look. Would you mind commenting this? Yeah, sure. Go ahead, send it, Ronald. I'll take a look at it. Let's see. Could you send a 30-minute chart as well for me? At the moment we're pushing up, we're creating some sort of a high and a resistance. So I think the better thing to do was wait for price to come down and retest the high price created, because bias was still bullish on 15-minute time frame. I don't know what it looks like on the 30. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know, because it closed above this level even though these wicks are here. The 30-minute is still bullish. So I'd wait, if I was you, for a 30-minute to close bullish if you really want to sell. And otherwise I wait for support above 8 like 40 it is probably, 830, 840, to have a support created to continue pushing bullish, because price is going bullish. Yeah, exactly. Phil the wick said the right thing. One candle doesn't mean that the direction is gonna change. Yeah. So yeah, that's exactly what's going on here. And at the end of the day, we closed above this resistance. So the probability of price pushing further up, I don't know what's further left, is pretty high. So personally, if I was you, I would get out of the sell. Now, if you want to stay in, you just stay in. It's your thing. But personally, if I was you, I would get out, wait for a bullish candle to form above this level to take buys further up, above here. But that's the personal preference. I don't know if you've seen this over and over again on this pair, because it's Australian dollar USD. So I don't know if it has any different types of movement. But if I was you, I would also look at the fact, if are these two markets open right now to trade?
Oh wow!
What?
Retail sales came in super bad.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, we're gonna have some.
we were anticipating -3%. We got -8.2%.
Ooh, that's gonna be a crash.
Full margin sells, guys.
Full margin. If it breaks the low, we're in.
Although I don't know about that.
No, I don't know about that too, but it's just
Just go in now. No.
yeah,
Uh,
that's crazy. 8%.
but like it was to expect, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Everything's closed.
yeah. They expected negative already, so that's good, but
Uh,
that's a bit much.
public sector. Sorry for the new sounds.
No problem, man.
Really need to get a new microphone, like a headset or something.
Yeah.
Are you guys using headsets? Or-
Yeah, I'm using a headset.
Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna lay my magic keys far away from me that I don't press open trade accident. That was so stupid from yesterday night. Yesterday morning, I mean. That was not
Yeah, that
smart.
happened to me once, where I accidentally opened the trade.
Yeah, I accidentally once opened a one lot.
Mhm.
I was like, and that was a lower account, and I was like, whoa, what's going on here? And I closed it automatically, like right away. But still, the commission was not fun at that moment.
One not though. It's dangerous.
Yeah, on the small account, when I was started,
Mm-hmm.
I accidentally opened a one lot once, and I was like, I was shitting myself.
Which lot sizes do you trade at the moment?
I trade around 0.60 now. But I can trade higher, but I'm just leveling up slowly.
Yeah. I'm like getting close to 0.5 now.
Yeah, that's pretty good. It depends on how next week goes, because this week didn't really go in my favor. If I succeed in next week, I'm going to step it up to 0.75.
Nice.
Yeah, it's pretty good, and hopefully I'm with IC markets by then.
Oh, nice. I'm also with them. So
Yeah. Yeah, I always have problems with brokers. I don't know. Me and brokers don't go together.
So what I was wondering, you have this rather bad news, but like nothing happens.
Yeah, maybe it's gonna come in later. It's gonna come in. The impact's gonna probably come in later as a set of a trend, maybe, for the current session.
Yeah, and with the CPI earlier this Wednesday, we also didn't really see any sort of move, but that came out pretty much as expected.
Yeah.
Much deviation. Yeah, because Wednesday CPI came in better, tiny bit better than expected, and we were trying to take aggressive buys impulsively,
Yeah.
expecting resistance to break.
In Germany, everything is being alright. 1.4%, all better than normal. But here, in the UK, retail sales, nah, out the window. This. Do you hear the music on the stream or not? Questioning myself.
Oh,
Yeah.
I need to
Yeah?
like the stream.
Yeah, don't forget that, man. Everyone in the Zoom, don't forget to like the stream. There are not many people in today, but still. Everyone is still asleep, probably. They're like, Friday. Nah, we ain't doing that. Gonna make this Zoom chat a bit smaller. Yeah, for most people, Friday is already a written off day anyways, so. What's going on? Yeah. Look at that 4 hour. Damn.
You guys know Hitman 47?
I don't hit man, but yeah, go ahead.
The guy with the barcode at his neck.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're printing Hitman candles, or 47 candles, whatever.
Ready to shoot down soon.
Yeah.
That's a game, right, Hitman?
Yeah, and a nice movie. Love it.
Yeah. Hitman. Crazy. Yeah, I'm only a fan of action movies. That's the only thing I like of type of movies.
It's an action movie.
Oh, I only like action movies. Sometimes comedy, but action movies is my thing.
I actually just like yes, like science stuff, documentation.
Yeah, I like that too. I like that too. Yeah, yeah.
Or do you know Interstellar?
No, let me look it up.
It's my most favorite movie of all times.
You're going to the moon, right? Sci-fi, it is, right?
Yeah, like it's a bit sci-fi, but it's mostly science-based. So
Okay, yeah. Yeah, sci-fi action movies can be fun as well sometimes, but are out there just to have like different action movies.
sorry.
Jason Statham.
The Gulag is giving Gulag questions. For $1,000 account, what is the best lot size?
It depends how much you want to risk, and it depends how much you want to lose, and it depends how much you afford to lose, how much you can afford to lose. So, if I was you, I would start because I anticipate from this question that you're starting. So I would start with probably like 0.5 or 1%. That's 5 or $10 of the account size. Or just start with like 0.01, 0.02 and roll slowly into higher lots.
Yeah, get consistent with like 0.01s, and then
Yeah.
good risk management is around 10-cent lots per every 1,000 you have.
No.
Yeah, assuming.
And if you didn't really start trading, personally, I would start with 0.03 because you can start managing risk. Learning how to manage risk and how to leave a position running and close 50%. Or anything. You know, you need to be comfortable with with what you're gonna lose. Yeah, GJ is not moving at all.
did this thing from IC markets, and now they're automatically switching accounts to the global entity. They made you
Wait, no way.
yeah, they made you create a whole new account, and now it's
No.
like, oh.
Oh my god. Oh. I see it. Nah, that's not fair, man.
They're just like
That's
stopping.
why I hate brokers, man.
Yeah, you and brokers just don't get along.
No, 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 definitely not. Bro, no. No, I'm not gonna even say anything. No, no, no. I had so much problems with brokers, no. Well, the difference is I made an account on IC Markets and I didn't know, but there's a global website as well. So I did it on a normal website. I don't know about any global website. And then I was only able to use 1 to 30 leverage. And I was like, yeah, for me it doesn't really matter, but still. Um, so I was like, okay, uh, can you make my just transfer my account to the global entity? And they're like, no, you need to make a new account, this and that. And if you want to use the same email, you need to remove this entire account. And I was just finished. It took me like a week and a half, or maybe even, yeah, around that, I think, to get everything sorted with the um, proof of residence and proof of ID and shit. So that took a pretty long time, and then that happened, and then I need to do it all again. It did go faster now, but still. And now they come out with an easy transfer program. Nah, I can't. I really can't.
And we see on gold that it's rejecting those issues I was concerned about.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, at this level.
Mm-hmm.
We moved like 2 pips like since the news came out.
Yeah.
Right?
Not even. We're we're pretty much still at the same level.
Yeah, that is volatility, man.
Yeah. Look. Oh wait, no, 1 minute. That's too small. Yeah. Yeah, I moved down a bit. We opened at yeah 660. We moved.
What, 3 pips?
Yeah.
Man,
Yeah, a bit lower with the wicks, but still.
imagine you cash it from top to bottom.
Yeah.
What a profit.
Pretty nice. Let's see. Hopefully it just pushes down and we are able to take sells, because I'm looking more forward to sells rather than buys personally, even though the trend is still bullish. I think taking a good sell with this clean traffic to the left is gonna be savage. Let's see. Yeah. The good thing is though that we closed it below this level, so it's respecting. So for continuing further down, it could be a higher probability. The only thing is though, we first need to move 20 pips, then create a normal stop loss, and then push down. So that's gonna be something. For buys, we just need to close above right here to go further up. Personally, I don't really like this zone, so I would, if it closes like directly at it and it breaks the high, yeah, then it makes sense. But I rather want it to close in this area, just to be past this level. Oh, did it push? Okay, let me take a look. Yeah, because buys is bullish. So what you could have done to enter is, even though price broke a low, I don't know if it directly did that. Yeah, price directly broke the low. The probability was lower though, but if this high was broken, or this high, you could have entered based on impulsive entry, but that's only if you really like these entries. It's more risky though. Less volume, so impulsive entries is always more risky on Fridays, but based on that you could have taken an entry. But at the end of the day, the bias was still bullish, where price was pushing up. So yeah, if I was you, if you still want to take a trade on odd USD, I don't know, are the markets open for odd USD, or are they both closed?
I think they're both closed.
Personally, if I was you, I would look for one market that's open and the other one that's closed, because the volume is already less. Even though we're pushing now, it's pushing right now, 100%, but the volume is going to be lower anyways. So if I was you, I'd look for a pair that has an open market and one closed market at this session. Because trading in a closed market does not really make sense for me. Maybe for you, I got no idea. But
Yeah, and somebody asked, is it more risky to trade on Fridays?
yeah, it can be. Yeah.
Yeah, it depends.
Yeah, it depends. Like Fridays could have low volume, which means that price is gonna be ranging like this. Or it's gonna have really sloppy moves up, or it can be a really good Friday and price just rallies. But most of the times price is just sloppy in a range. So,
And especially in New York, a lot of freaky stuff happens on Friday. In
yeah,
London, from time to time, they do happen as well.
yeah, it's 50-50 in London.
Oh, and look, you use the same lot size even on Mondays and Fridays?
Yeah,
Oh, okay,
yeah,
I was just wondering.
yeah, same lot size. But the only reason I would change lot size, but I wouldn't preferably not get in already, is if my stop was like 20 pips, But
Yeah.
I don't really take a trade with a stop loss of 20 pips, so I never have to do that.
Mhm.
So that's the only thing. Normally my stop loss is around 10 to 15 pips most of the time, like 12, 13, 14.
True.
So then I just use normal stop loss. But GG is not moving at all. 30 minutes, so gonna close in 9 minutes. But I think what's important on Friday is just that you learn how to have patience. You just watch the chart. You're not always taking a trade. Oh, we have another question in the Zoom. Look based on how many pips stop loss to determine your fixed lot. Yeah, between 10 to yeah, till 20 pips, till like 19, 18, 19 pips, same stop loss. But I never take a trade that has a bigger stop loss like that, or I do something different with my stop loss. So I would never have to determine if I use fixed or not, because I know what I'm gonna do. if let's say if like the 30-minute has like a, let's say the 30-minute has like a 20 plus pip stop, and the 15-minute has a more like a stop of like 10 pips, or let's say 6 pips, and then it's gonna be like 12 pips. Then I'd rather put it below the 15 because I know it's pushing so hard. But at the end of the day, it could still pull back hard, but I would still get the stop loss below the 15. But for me personally, I just always use the fixed lot, and I'm not keen in taking 20 pip stop losses. So, I mean, based on how many pips do you determine the amount of fixed lots? Just approximately. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how many pips. It's just always fixed. It's always fixed lot size. Even if it's 5 pips, or it's 10 pips, or it's 15 pips. Above 20 pips is gonna be a different game. They're gonna use probably like 50% of my usual position. But between that range, it's gonna be always the same. So 5, 10 doesn't matter. It's always the same lot size.
Yeah, and it also depends what pair you're trading, because for GJ, like 10, 15 pip stop losses on 30-minute work really well.
Yeah.
But yeah, sometimes like on other pairs like gold, that's not gonna work so well.
No, then you need to figure out what you're gonna do with your risk. Are you gonna lower your risk, have a bigger target, because the targets are gonna be bigger in gold as well, you know. Because let's say you have a 30 pip stop loss, you're not gonna take profit at 10 pips because that doesn't make any sense on gold. Yeah, maybe to go to break even 100%, but you're gonna look for like maybe 20 or 30 pips at that time.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Marcos. How are you, my man?
I have sells on gold right now.
Our gold expert advisor.
Yeah, man. You had a question, right, Master?
Yeah, because I was looking at gold at the beginning of this session, and I was thinking like there's a good probability to retest the low that we created, but I see these issues on the 30-minute around 1770. So I was just wondering how it's going to react to that.
I understand now. I calculated at 10 pips. Just my calculation was at 10 pips, and that's what I use on all the different pips as well. So I calculated my risk and lot size at once at 10 pips, and then, but I'm upping the entire time because it's not my full risk. So every time when I get a profitable week or profitable month, I up it. So yeah, but the first calculation was based on 10 pips with my risk. And it doesn't matter then if I have a 15 pip stop or anything. That's what you mean, right? Yeah. Sorry, man. I understood it the wrong way. Whoa, guys. It's nearly hitting below 30. Oh, it did.
Oh, nice. Time to
Whoa.
load up.
Time to load up and shoot to the moon.
Are you going to buy it?
Yeah, probably, yeah. Between 20 and 30, I'm gonna take entries.
Yeah.
The Fusel company. It's been up there before, back in the days at like 2000s.
Mm-hmm.
So, let's see
You
where
want
it
to hold
goes.
it long term?
Yeah, long term. 5 to 10 years, probably.
Then it looks like Bitcoin.
Yeah, so I want to take it. I was able to take it at like 24
Yeah.
in, yeah, even probably even lower, 22, 24 in December.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but yeah, yeah, I didn't take it because I was like, yeah, it already pushed up so much, blah blah. But I want to take it between like that 25, 30, 20, 20 level. Take lots of entries. Take
Looks.
just buy the stock and then look into.
Is there any fundamentals behind that last up move, or is it just random?
I don't know. It's been a company before that did different things, but now they're focusing on fuel cells, and this is the leading company in fuel cell
Well,
technology.
how do you spell the fusel?
Fuel cell? How you spell it?
Yeah.
Fuel. I think
Oh,
it's
fuel. Oh, I didn't hear the L.
yeah, fuel cell company.
Fusel. Okay.
Yeah, so this is based on vehicles and stuff, and fuel cell is I think it's gonna be the future after electricity, because electricity it's one big joke. It's all a joke, you know.
Yeah. Basically, yeah.
It costs more money. It costs more money. It costs more bad um uh what's it called?
Pollution.
Yeah, all that stuff. It's at the end of the day they put it in a bright daylight, but it's really bad for the economy because all that energy is getting created by stuff that's not that's not
Costing.
yeah that's not ecological, you know. So it's all a joke. All these they're all getting extra money of the government because they're driving an electric car, this and that. But it's bad. It's really bad.
We need 6 liter V8 again.
You know, Bentley is gonna in 2030 they want all of their cars to be electric. Like
Bentley.
yeah, Bentley. You're built on a on an engine that was the reason why you became big,
Yeah.
and now you're gonna act like this. You know, you're gonna have a big downfall because there's gonna be other companies that more technology and more money than Bentley, even though they're in the Volkswagen concern, 100%. But still,
Get all this downsizing, The C63 now is a C44.
yeah, that's not making any sense. But fun fact, Porsche is upsizing.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Yeah, but
Porsche. They found out a different way how to get different type of fuel economy in upsizing their engines with a because there's a couple different um, there's CO2 and there's a couple of other different um, things that come out of the exhaust and stuff, uh, and they found a way to minimize one other uh, part of that, and they're able to upsize their engine now. So that's why all their engines are going from 3.8 and all these other types are going to 4 liters now, because the Cayman now has a 4 liter, Boxster has a 4 liter engine now.
But still 6 cylinders, right?
Yeah, flat 6.
Oh yeah, okay. Porsche Cayenne GTS 220 V8 upsizing.
No,
V8.
Cayman, I'll show you.
Okay.
I think it's upsizing. It's here.
Ah, my God.
Yeah, it's in here, downsizing, blah blah blah, and then
Yeah,
the reason why they are upsizing.
nice.
So yeah, and then now all of the engines turn into like those 4 liter flat 6 engine.
Flat 6, okay.
So yeah. And
Nice.
most of the vehicles now get this engine. So
I like that.
yeah, it's pretty nice, and it sounds really really good.
I take sells on gold based on this massive rejection on left. I think we need to retest the low of the 30-minute time frame structure.
You're dropping already,
Now
man.
it's breaking.
You're already at 10 pips probably now, right?
Yeah, I think easily can go to 65.
Yeah.
I think a good entry was once this 30-minute closed, because the
Yeah.
first 15-minute was bullish, rejecting it.
This
then
is a
we had-
perfect entry. Look at that 15. Yeah.
Yeah, then we had the next one closed bearish, which cancelled that rejection, and now we're good to go down.
My first entry
Bro.
was at 71.85.
Yeah, Marco's probably now at 30% for this month.
Oh,
35.
I
Damn.
took sells at the broke of the massive rejection.
Okay. Wait, what's your exact entry?
71.85.
8.5. Oh my god. It's 26 pips already right there. He called it before it happened, so good job, Marcos, man. Legend.
Yeah.
I'm
It's the
looking
kernel
to
of London stream.
Yeah,
my target is 65.
yeah. Are you using a normal risk on Fridays or lower?
Yeah, if I look a safe trade, I took normally.
Okay, yeah. So, and your stops were?
My
173?
stop is 774.
Okay. What's gonna be your first profit level?
I think I'm close 50% at 68.
Okay.
68.
Yeah.
At this I close 50%, and the rest I close at the very low of the structure.
Yeah. Could you have this 15-minute level in there as well?
Yeah.
Don't know if you
Yes.
care about that, but yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah.
Morning, morning.
Good morning. What are you looking for on GJ?
One sec. Basically got the same thing you had marked up before I went to sleep, so.
Perfect. Yeah, that. Yeah, go ahead.
No.
Retail sales didn't do anything. Yeah. Do you take any trade already, Nick?
No, I don't trade ranges.
Okay.
So, fun fact I saw earlier today. I don't know if it's true or not, but
Yeah.
apparently, Tradingview got more web traffic than Pornhub.
Damn.
Yep.
Not in my house.
Oh, what? No, I can't hear what you said.
Oh, I said not in my house.
Wait, that's Sam, right?
No, it's you.
Oh damn. Nearly the same voice. But that's crazy. Where did you see that?
This guy I followed is like a stock trader,
Yeah.
which I'm pretty sure wouldn't be like a meme or anything.
What's the ground?
It's hold on, S. Joseph Burns.
S. How the fuck do you spell that?
JOSEPH. No, J.
Oh, J. Are you on this one?
And instead of I, put an E.
Wait 1 second.
Well, I'll take it in the chat.
Does anyone know how to fix a screen if it's a different color?
What do you mean by different color?
Yeah, for some reason my screen is different. I have one screen and the other screen and they're a different color. One is...
Yeah, you need to like, there's buttons on the displays where you can...
Yeah, I did that. I put them exactly the same. But
Okay. I mean, there's a Windows setting where you can do something.
I think Robert already asked the answer to it. Yeah, I have one HDMI and one DisplayPort. That's probably the issue.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, there's so many accounts of this guy.
Yeah.
Look at this.
What's this?
First one, but his page is like just to me really good, like psychology stuff. He does stock trading, but I mean it's like the same thing. It just helps you get in the right mind state.
Pretty funny how he has that black and white.
I didn't even notice that. You're right. It's like a D-pad.
We'll probably post a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah,
he's
holy.
more like,
This is all 1 week.
yeah, he's just all psychology though. He doesn't really do anything else besides psychology. It was a good reminder.
It's crazy.
And that guy Peter Brandt is also pretty good. I don't follow him, but a lot of good psychology also.
Yeah, Peter Brand is nice.
This is the best thing. Yeah.
Wait, what was the problem you had with the one HDMI one display port?
Yeah.
No, I'm asking what was the
Oh,
problem?
the screen colors are different. So one is
Oh.
lighter than the other one.
Yeah, I have the same problem. I have one. It's like it only has one HDMI port.
Yeah, me too, bro. I was like, okay, in the middle one, there's both in the middle one. One was HDMI, and I put it in one of the middle ones. So I was like, oh, the one to the side of that is gonna be the same. But it turns out to be that I have 3 display ports and just one HDMI, so I had to wait longer. And then I was like, okay, I'll just buy a display port, and now the screens are a different color.
Yeah, my computer was built a while ago, so I think I got like a GT. Actually, I can read it. Hold on.
DVI port?
Huh?
A DVI port, maybe?
No, it means graphics card.
The graphics core is like a NVIDIA 430 something something or 435 something. It's as old as all hell, from like 2011.
He's
something
making
like that.
he's throwing in 10 lots and that's
But no, that's one of my goals later on, is just to rebuild my computer fully.
yeah. Some of these guys in the group have insane setups.
Yeah, wherever that guy was at that white
Bro, that was insane.
base.
That was mad. I think he was in the Zoom once as well. I don't know.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm
I've
up.
seen
Yeah, go ahead.
crazy builds.
Yeah, that was so nice. That was really nice. But I'm not. I don't really know that much about computers, but I just yeah. I put mine together and it works now. It's good, and it's good looking. I didn't want like a case in the middle of my room, like an ugly case. So I was like, I need something nice. And cases aren't expensive anymore. I mean,
Really, it's the processor and
yeah,
the what the hell is that thing called? Video card.
yeah. That's the only thing that's expensive because motherboard. You don't need a crazy motherboard. You know.
No, they're not that expensive anyway. They're like
No.
100, 200 bucks to get like a
Yeah.
really good one.
RAM 100 to 80. Yeah.
I did the math. The processor is like the most expensive thing, and then the video card, because it's like a NVIDIA GTX 10 something Titan. I think it's like 800 bucks or 1,000 bucks, something like that.
It's crazy. I just have a Ryzen 5. I don't know. A Ryzen 5 3600. I think it is. Don't know how expensive that is. Got no idea. This one is it? Yeah, it's about 200. 175 here. It's good enough. Bro,
Yeah.
why do I need something faster? If it's already fast. Yeah, they're the same brands, Ricardo. So, same exact screen.
Oh, there we go.
Marcos, I've reserved this, but there's no stock. What's this then?
Jeez.
Yeah, I have the 1660. So the 1660 I have, but I don't have this one, but I have the one after that. So the 1660. But they're pretty expensive. They're like 250, 300, right? more. 350.
Yeah, I've always heard Nvidia's the one to go with. If you're doing video cards, Nvidia's like up there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm an Intel and Nvidia fanboy. I don't want to touch AMD.
I have AMD.
But I heard one copied off the other or something like that. Isn't that what happened? Like reverse engineered it?
That doesn't sound familiar.
I got no idea, bro. I'm not that far. I'm not that deep into computers.
Yeah, I think like somebody waiting for the patent to be up, and either AMD or Nvidia or one of them copy each other.
Yeah.
I used to be super into computers. Like I built my own PC. It was pretty cool. But then for school, I got this laptop, and it has the same graphic. Like it has a 1060 with a i7 8th generation. So it's actually faster than my desktop. And since then, I just haven't used my desktop at all.
Oh damn.
Whatever's clever.
I just have like an i3 9 something laptop. It's pretty slow. So I just use my my PC for mostly everything.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of laptops. to
Me
be honest
too.
with
I'm really I always get annoyed at the screen because it's just I don't know.
you. No, I just never had a fast one, so it's good for like the first week when you buy it, and after that it goes to being like the slowest thing in the world.
Yeah. Yeah, it is what it is. Yo, GJ is not doing anything. Nothing. It's not moving.
Which means, New York have a good takeoff.
Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna trade inside this range, even though it's a big range. You can trade inside ranges 100%, but if it was setting up for a sell, why didn't it do it earlier with that news? That's what I'm questioning myself. But maybe London Open, we push further down.
Yeah, definitely baited some people in because it looks like a good entry when it started breaking the low.
Yeah.
It was right back up.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because news came in super bad as well, so you kind of expect it to at least come to the other end of this range.
Yeah.
But we still got a good time to go because usually we've been seeing volume around after an hour after London Open.
Yeah.
Hopefully by then we can break lower.
Cool. Yeah, I personally, even though this is clean, it could be pretty dangerous in this range because you don't know what's gonna happen. Even if such high impact news with a really bad result doesn't even do anything, you have to start looking up. Because it's looking like, yeah, that 15 minute, if you look at that 15 minute, it's just creating that support and rejecting it. That's why that 30 minute is not pushing further down. If any one of you guys in the Zoom or in the YouTube have a chart that you want to get reviewed or want to have some feedback on, just send it. I'll take a look at it. Marcos?
Yeah, I closed everything after the break of 5 minute structure. I close all the positions.
So in profit or in a loss?
In profit, in profit.
Oh, nice.
Let me look. I close my first position at 70.12, and the other one breaks the high of the previous 5 minute high
Okay, yeah.
and close everything.
Pretty
I
solid.
have 20 pips in the first position.
That's nice, man. Good job. Good job. Hopefully, London Open moves GJ. Otherwise, it's really gonna be a hard day. But we should be seeing a stronger breakout soon, probably.
I was just browsing Instagram and I saw this interview with this guy. He put his life savings into GameStop, and
Yeah.
he was like, "So what'd you do?"
Bye.
"Why'd you do it?" And he was like, "Well, I like the stock." Oh, perfect.
Look at this, man. This is mad. Yeah, there was this one guy as well. He borrowed like 25k from
Yeah.
his from his boss, I think it was, from the company he worked at,
Uh-huh.
and then he lost everything. I think
80%.
80%. Yeah. How fucking stupid are you, Dan, man? That's
Yeah.
that's the dumbest thing you could possibly do.
I have a friend who's holding it from like somewhere like 300.
Really? How much
Yeah,
did he buy? What's
he put like a 1,000 account, just put like a few shares.
say bye bye money? It's not
Yeah.
gonna come back up. So
Yeah, I told him like, hey man, just like learn to trade. Come on the live streams with us. Just
Yeah.
you know, take 1 or 2 trades a day for 1 or 2 hours a day, and that's it. And he's like, no man, I don't have the time for that. And then he bought into this stock, and he was checking his phone like 24/7. I'm like, man, but you got the time to be distracted 24/7?
yeah. If you weren't in here or here in
Yeah,
this level,
makes no
there
sense.
was no trade for you anymore.
No.
Buying GameStop a step at 220 plus is not a good idea. Even though they're pumping the markets 100%, but maybe this would have already been the high, you know?
Hmm. Also, GEU is pushing above the range. Seems interesting to try out other pairs as well, to trade them like alongside GJ if a better setup presents itself.
Yeah. But at the end of the day, the people that are trading new and just trading and didn't master a pair yet still need to focus, I think, on one pair. Until, in my opinion, I think it's a good idea to have a second pair as well. And if you're really far into trading and you mastered both of these pairs, you can add a third one, 100%. But I think for most people it's important to just focus on one pair, focus on one movement for maybe a year or maybe 2 years. Really, you know, get that pair, and everything that happens, you understand why it happens until you start trading a different pair, because it's gonna um, maybe for the long term, it's gonna, you know, mess with your mind, mess with the things you are thinking about, because you're putting two pairs directly through each other. And yes, there's some people that can really set their close one off and go to the other one with their minds, but most of us can't do that. So it's gonna only be really misleading and distracting to be doing.
Mhm. Yeah, because right now, I guess one of the distracting things is I see kind of like two confirmations, one on gold and one on GU. So at this point, then it can become pretty hectic. You're like, oh shit, which one do I take?
Yeah, but yeah, that's it as well, and you know that creates FOMO.
Yeah, true, true. Yeah, because GU right now it's closing above all those wicks. Looks good to continue up for 10 pips, and gold is rejecting that level I was concerned about, and it
Yeah,
looks good to fill the wick to the left.
yeah, continue bullish momentum with a 30, 40 pip stop and like a,
Hmm.
let's say, another 40 pip target, 1 to 1.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, but
yeah,
that's the
that.
thing.
Hmm.
Yeah, no, go
So,
ahead.
oh, you go.
No, no, I didn't have to say anything. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah, and since they're not my main pairs, I don't like, and their moves aren't picture perfect. I don't care about missing them.
Yeah,
That's the thing.
it is true. You see, sometimes people are that are like, oh, and why did I miss it, this and that, and then the entire setup was wrong, so there was no correct way to catch the move, but still the FOMO pushed in, and in my opinion, that comes out of watching those different pairs as well with different movement. You're not expecting what exactly price is going to do because you're putting together all these formulas and all these setups on different pairs, and then you know, let's say price is bullish now, and all of a sudden it starts running down. You know, there's no need to be, you know, there's no need for you to get that fear of missing out.
Mhm.
And even though if you're looking at different pairs, same thing. Look, I can look at gold and stuff, but I don't have that feeling because I don't trade it. I just look at it, sometimes analyze it a bit, but I don't trade it. So I don't care if it pushes all the way up. I don't mind. Just like I'm just like looking at it for fun.
Yeah, indeed. For me, it's like I want to make it like my mistress. Just on the side, if I see a good potential to catch a
Side chick.
good, yeah, to catch a good 30, 50 pips on the side, then why not?
Well, your wife, GBP is not gonna like that. I'm telling you now.
Yeah, she's having a temper tantrum right now, being in this range. I'm just like, okay, okay, yeah, relax.
Relax. I'm gonna finish it, or I'm gonna continue. Yeah, gold looks good to go up. It just broke the high after making a wick first.
Hmm. Yeah, and
For
also
the people that are buying now, you should fill this wick.
yeah, super high chance.
Yeah, super high chance because
Yeah,
the
one thing I
range
noticed.
makes sense.
Mhm.
Let's say you got in right here, 32. Yeah, let's say yeah, it's pretty much 1 to 1. So if you're in, it makes sense. If I was you though, if you get into like 60, 76, I would start pushing my stop loss below the current low. giving it still some breathing room, and then pushing further up. Just go to break even. But it makes sense to fill this level because we closed above all these 15-minute candles with a strong candle. We closed above these wicks, yeah, just at this wick, but we pretty much did what these candles couldn't do. We made a high after creating a low, so
Have clean traffic to the left.
yeah, clean traffic to the left based on 15 as well. Just
It's
mirrored
pretty
that
good.
move.
And one thing I noticed about gold, and maybe Marcos can confirm, or even if Tom is here, that once I think gold, it respects the movement of candles better than GJ. What I mean by that is like when a candle opens with, let's say, no top wick, and it goes bearish to create its liquidity wick. Once it flips bullish, it actually keeps continuing bullish and doesn't look
Yeah.
back. But
Yeah.
with GJ, sometimes it flips bullish and then it just fucks around and then it moves. But on gold, it doesn't fuck around. It just goes bearish,
Yes.
bullish, and
Move.
bullish.
That's the thing with GJ though. GJ doesn't always know what to do, so
Yeah.
it's like, oh, what I'm gonna do? Like this situation, it doesn't know what to do. It's just ranging, but that sometimes with pushes as well. It's like it pushes and then it's gonna hang around that level and it's not gonna do anything, and it's gonna go down a bit and it's gonna go up a bit and down a bit, up a bit, and all of a sudden it start moving. But on gold, it's just like if price is gonna go that way, price is gonna go that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think because gold is affected by everything, by all the news and all the pairs, and
Yeah.
have a lot of volume every day. So when he broke the previous high, the high time frame is in the same way that lower time frames, price continue pushing.
We got someone in the chat that's trading Euro JPY, and he asks for let's just pull him back. Are you in bias now, Joel? This is the guy in the YouTube chat. And then, what time frame did you try to execute on? Send in the chart if you have a question about that. Because if you look left, there's a resistance right here, so it makes sense to reject from that level. Look, resistance on 30-minute, resistance 1 hour. Maybe here's no, here's nothing, but still. If you have a further question, just send in the chart. Yeah, Kelly, thank you, man. Thank you for the like as well. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to fix it, but there's this background white noise that's coming from my mic, which I don't know how to fix yet. But I'm trying to look how to fix that. But thank you for the like and for the feedback. Look at how that 30-minute is printing the candles. It's nasty. I'm gonna listen to the stream real quick because I got some feedback on the sound and stuff. Yeah, my microphone makes that horrible white noise.
One thing on all is these 5-minute candle breaks and highs the previous week with the previous high of the structure.
I'm back again. Yeah, I need to find a way how to make my microphone less noisy because it's pretty annoying.
It has to do with the setting in OBS.
Yeah, it has that white background noise. I tried finding it, but I just can't find it. Do you know what setting is it? What setting it is, or not?
No, I also had that issue, and I don't know why. Where it came from.
Maybe because OBS doesn't have a good background noise blocker.
Yeah, it doesn't have a filter.
Oh, you need to add a noise suppression filter in OBS to... Trying to look it up right here. Oh, I see. Oh, look, okay, I know. I hopefully know if this is alright. Filters. Add a filter. Compressor, expander, noise gate, noise suppression. Yeah, I found it how to start lowering that noise. But now I need to find the right one to lower the background noise. Okay, I see. I know. Hopefully this is gonna work. I so hope. But I probably need to do it all the time to noise gate. Yes. Yes. Now it should be good. Should be good now. Let's see. I'm gonna mute myself on.
Oh, it's really good.
Yes. Yes, guys, it's fixed. I fixed it. It's gone now. So, Master.
Yeah.
If you click on OBS and you have your mic and you see the audio mixer, You see desktop audio and mic / aux audio. You go to that wheel from settings, and you go to filters, and you add noise suppression and noise gate, and it's gone.
Oh, okay. I see. That's pretty simple.
Yeah, so now the quality is a lot better. I just clicked on just heard the stream real quick. It's a lot better now.
Yo, my chart is broken. Like everything. Like, what are all these shapes and colors I'm seeing?
Oh, I had that once too. You just need to restart your Tradingview.
Yeah, I refreshed it.
Yeah.
Reopen it.
By the way, guys, we weren't in this trade, just telling the possibilities of price pushing up.
Oh no, it's rejecting.
Yeah. Yeah, you see the 5 minute. 5 minute is important to watch on this time frame, on this pair. 5 minute perfect barcode. Yeah. But it looks like we're maybe closing below. Ooh, it's breaking. Breaking. Ooh, margin sells. No, guys, don't do it. Don't.
No. I mean, these are aggressive entries. You can take here.
Yeah, I mean, if you really fancy trading in a range, you can.
Or if you want to leverage, if you have profits to leverage, probably good, but
Yeah, I know one guy that has profits to leverage.
yeah, we
Starts with an M.
know him.
Yeah, 10 pips up, it's 16 pip level. If you trade ranges, I mean, go ahead. But preferably, I personally would trade outside of this no trade range. For me, this is no trade. Yeah. I think today is gonna be a no trade day as well because price is just not moving the way it should. The London Open didn't really do anything. Yeah, now it's moving, but it's 15 minutes later.
Yeah, closed with no wick.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just some hot garbage right now. But
Yeah.
pretty sure not London, New York is where we'll see something. Or maybe,
Yeah, probably. Yeah, perfect, Kelly, yeah. Yeah, it is what it is. If I talk, it's there, but now it's gone, so that's the best thing. Yeah. Let's see what's going on. If you guys have any charts that you want feedback on, just send them in the chat, Zoom and YouTube. See what's gonna happen next week. The news.
man, if I was a different type of person, I would took that sell just now. But
Yeah.
I let it go.
Break below.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, it makes sense. If you trade ranges, 100%. But that 15-minute closed without a wick though, so that could be an issue. But it's breaking out, so that's the most important thing.
Yeah, I think they just went up one more time. It's like a triple top right now.
Wait, next week we're pretty much having no news on GBP. Yeah, just minor minor news. Nothing big. It's only on Tuesday. Oh, this could be. Sorry, this could be something different. It's only an orange folder, so no high impact, just medium impact news. But that's if high impact news doesn't even do anything with bad numbers, I do not understand. If you got in on the break of that low, you should be up a couple pips now. No, probably much 5, but still. Yo guys, everyone that's in the stream, here we have, this is an account for the group, so here's going to be everyone's trades posted. So if you can see, let's say yesterday Pirpolo, Marcos and Nick took GBP buys, and they're all going to be explained on this Instagram account. We all have personal Instagrams as well, but this is going to be the account for this stream where Pirpolo and I and the other guys will post all the taken trades on the stream.
Well, not necessarily all.
Not all of them, but
it's not like a journal. Like it's not a journal. We plan to post just the trades where we can get where we can share value and where we can get across a point.
Yeah. You know.
Yeah. And this weekend I'll work on some nice like little infographics to post throughout the next week.
Yeah. So it's gonna be there's gonna be most of the trades posted. I post trades on my personal one as well, but not that many. So focusing more on the stream. So yeah. Yes, I'm really in the
Yeah, I was just looking at some insight statistics of the account. It looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
So like on the second post that we posted on the Instagram, 2 people saw it from the hashtags.
Oh really?
Yeah, so I only posted like a few hashtags, so those kind of actually have an impact. Tiny bit.
Wait, I'll do this for that again. Oh, you can find it in the analytics, right?
Oh yeah. If you go,
yeah, there's like 30% of the people or more, or like 40, are getting into the YouTube stream by just searching on the search bar. So that's pretty cool as well. GJ moving. Yeah, it's going pretty well. Need to make a screenshot real quick before that. Oh, no, that's not one. Wait, oh no. Stream is still going. Oh, there you go.
Now GBP is interesting because 4 hour time frame is now bearish,
Yeah,
and
it's
1
turning.
hour also.
Rejecting this level again.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, GK, show us those cells tonight. There we go. Pushing down, but I'm gonna fan you up because my opinion has to close. This one has to close here, make a small wick up, and then the new one close below because stop loss is not gonna be fun game then.
Did anybody take the cells?
Nope, I didn't take anything. Did you take it or not?
No, I didn't take anything.
Yeah, for a range trader it made sense.
Yeah.
%.
I think if we have closes below support, though, we could.
Yeah.
You could.
Yeah, but I don't want this candle to close below support yet. I want the next candle to close below support. The reason why is because we have a 1 hour close below, but we also have a better manageable stop loss. And we don't have that at this moment. So let this one close right here. Next one make a small wick. Close here, have a normal 10 pip stop. Because even if you, let's say this candle closes below the, let's say the 30-minute, 15-minute stop is still 23 pips. 23 pips, that's a lot for a stop loss. So I want this candle to close here. After that, make a small wick up, like right here, and then close around this level. What?
15-minute was a good entry.
Yeah, 15-minute right here, but I mean, if you want to sell below, right here, and let's say this candle, this 30-minute candle closes below here, then your stop loss is going to be all the way up here.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm looking forward to get this candle to close right here, make a small wick up, and then push down and close below. That's
Yeah, I'm
what
just waiting on any type of close outside.
Yeah.
Personally, I don't take any trade on this situation because I think it's very risky. I prefer to a clear breakout and then retest. I think it's a better entry.
Like it's closing at support.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it.
I guess we need one more candle to close below, like maybe even probably not a 15-minute, but
Damn,
whoa, that was fast.
that was really fast. Don't go any higher, please.
No
I don't
worries.
want a bigger stop loss.
What were you guys discussing? Getting in?
Well, I was looking for this candle to create a better stop loss. So this is, for me, looking like a better stop loss. And let's say we get a close right here. We've got 15 pip stop. Candle closes here. So this candle closes right here. Then take an entry based on closing below the range.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking for, because then we have a big 1 hour candle closing below as well.
Yeah, I think the good thing to do is to wait for this 1 hour to close and see where it closes. Probably aggressive entries if the 15 closes below.
Yeah.
We're cutting the 15-minute out of our lives.
Well, not
Oh,
entirely,
okay.
but most of it, yeah.
Yeah, for the most part.
Just a low confirmation time frame. I think you can use the 15 if there is high volume.
Yeah, exactly.
But otherwise, you need to look out with that. Just use them 30-minute entries, or maybe 1 hour, or some good structured impulsive entries. But yeah, this looks good. Yeah, if this next 30-minute candle doesn't show us anything, it's gonna be called a Friday for now. So let's see what happens.
And now we are at 4-hour support, daily support.
Looking good. Good.
1 hour looks amazing for sales.
Don't have any FOMO, guys. Moves, it moves. If you're in, you're in. If you're out, you're not. If you're out, you're out.
It's like the aggressive entry people are eating today.
Yeah, just stay patient.
Mhm.
Just stay
I wouldn't say it was an impatient entry or anything. If you see it, there was a triple top with a good sell. If I seen your trading plan, it was good.
Yeah.
Me personally, I'm just trying to stick to a couple of trade entries I have, so I feel like it's a good idea not to take it.
I'm gonna take it based on a 30-minute candle. If it closes below in this range, I don't want it to close any further because then my stop loss is not gonna make any sense.
Yeah, you know what I'd love to see is what happened exactly what happened yesterday.
Yeah, 50-minute pullback and then.
Yeah, but then to the downside.
The break of
Yeah,
the
it's gonna
previous 30 minutes.
4-hour break as well. It's 4-hour candle. Oh,
Yeah.
Go look on your chart. Go back to like the 15-minute on yesterday. A little lower. Yeah, no, yeah, right there. And now,
yeah.
well, a little lower again, just
This
into the range. And now press Alt I.
rocket.
No, press Alt I on
Alt
the chart.
I.
Yes.
Wait, left. Oh, that's the wrong one.
No, not YI. Like.
I did.
No, press Alt.
Yeah.
Alt and then I.
Oh wait, what happened?
Your chart flipped. So now.
Wait, what?
Yeah, the chart is flipped. So now, like, you see the inverse of what's happening.
I'm gonna buy it. No.
Let's think back. No, but like now you can kind of visualize what happened yesterday, and
Oh,
kind of
yeah.
like look for that today. So like what happened
Bro, that's
yesterday now looks like a sell.
I don't know what happened.
Such a great feature.
That's a good feature right there because now you can really see what happened.
Yeah, exactly. Because we're getting the exact same situation. It's like now we can see what it looked like in
Yeah.
a bearish situation.
How do you know this?
Some guy posted in the general chat a while ago.
Hmm.
Because
Yo, that's crazy, man. Yo, these cells look clean.
yeah,
Actually, it looks a lot better this way around.
Yeah.
yeah, because some people are more biased to selling or to buying.
Yeah, so they turn around and they, you know.
Mhm.
Yeah, and then
I had that problem. I told Raja about it, and he said, "Yeah, it's natural because like seeing things falling is more natural than seeing
Things
them go
come,
up."
yeah.
exactly.
So I use that feature sometimes, yeah, to look from another way.
In your mind, it's easier to fall than to go up,
Yeah.
and it's actually in real life as well. So it's harder to grow something than destroy something.
True. True, and also generally there's a saying in the markets that bulls walk up the stairs and the bears they jump out the window.
Yeah, so it's good. Yeah, but that makes sense.
Uh-huh. Yeah, if you look at any chart, things drop faster than they
Yeah,
rise.
yeah. That's the thing as well. You know, if you throw a rock in the sky, it's gonna come down. And it's gonna come down a lot faster. And you threw it up. Yeah, maybe the beginning, the first, couple meters going faster than the drop. But after, if it's dropping like far, it's gonna drop really hard.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the YouTube is going pretty well, guys. Pretty well. 1 week we managed to get 57 subscribers. So I'm happy with that.
Oh, you got 2 subscribers in the time I refreshed my browser.
Yeah, man.
At the beginning it was 55.
Yeah, pretty nice.
10,000 till the end of year.
I'm not gonna jinx it.
It's too late.
Oh, no. Yeah, the technical indicator says we need a full margin. No. Don't look at this shit, guys.
I think we should also check the Chinese indicators.
Yeah. What's that website called?
Livecharts.co.uk.
Wait, what?
Wait, I can send the link.
Oh yeah, right. Currency strength, yeah.
GBP is very weak and yen is very strong, so we need to take full margin sells.
Yep. Take that in consideration. 100%.
But together with the Tradingview indicator that's saying buy, we are consolidating.
Yeah. Yeah. But that's the thing as well. It says buy, but we're going down. Like, what do you mean? I'm not
Maybe
gonna buy.
some RSI shit or stuff.
Yeah, probably. But I don't.
Oh, daily is right at support. Oh yeah, it's doing a retest. Okay, good point. Yeah.
Cuba. Gonna fly down soon.
Yeah, for sales we really need like strong closes below.
Here, 4:30. For me personally, I would take my first target at 170, 67, 70. That's looking pretty good. I'm looking for what this 15 minutes gonna do.
Yeah. 4 minutes, 3.5.
Good thing is that we're breaking down, So that's what I like. Yeah, it might be, Sasha, but I don't know. If you look left, we might be rejecting. So there's just a high probability of pushing down. Just like we're doing right now.
Push. Push it to the limit.
So 50.
I add another position on GBP
Ooh.
right now
Wait, what's your first entry?
at the break of the low of the previous 30-minute time frame.
Okay, so 450. Pretty solid.
I think you're looking at the 5-minute, aren't you, Marcos?
Yeah,
Nice. I see it too.
Oh yeah.
my target is I set the TP at 224.
Okay. Yeah, it's looking at this level.
Yeah, no, it's pushing right now.
GJ, come on, man. Don't leave us. Oh, Jody got in from 450 as well. Good job.
I think he was talking about Marco's entry, or didn't he?
Yeah, Marco got in at that level, so yeah. And Jody.
Oh yeah, Marco's entry. Okay.
Think
Goodbye,
can
my
we-
lover.
Bye, my
we can
friend.
we can have problems at this level because it's a little support on 15-minute time frame, but if breaks, we can go to the target.
Oh. Oh, okay. You didn't take it. Oh. Jody, you normally take these entries, man. It is what it is. Yeah, the thing is... Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, now we're forced to wait for like a retest, kind of like
Yeah.
yesterday.
Yeah, I'm not gonna take a 23 pip stop. Or it pulls back, you know. Get some...
No.
Get a good 15 pip stop with a range to fill. Come on, GJ, do that for us, please, man.
I just had one trade this week. It was a winner, but one trade is it's not enough.
No.
I had 2 trades this week.
2 trades for this month, both winners, but man, 2 trades.
Whoa.
Come on.
You have 2 trades for the month?
Yeah, but I left out like a week of trading. Yeah, so
Yeah,
It's quite disciplined.
30.
so 3 weeks. Yeah. Just coming
If
down.
breaks the previous 5-minute, push hard to the downside.
Yeah. Oh. I'm really looking at this 15, but I'm not gonna do it. I mean, there's good ways to manage risk probably right now, but yeah, I'm gonna wait for that 1 hour candle to close below, get that push, and maybe, you know, if that 1 hour candle closes below, we can get in based on price pulling back. But I wanted to close around 380 and not 340. It's too low for me.
If you look at the 4-hour time frame, it looks nice to
Yeah. Bro, your entry is 450.
But it's everything can happen Fridays now, so everything can happen.
Bro, Marcus is now up like 35%. No, for real, Marcus, how far are you up this month now?
I don't know. I have to check the trades.
It's gonna be a
Nice
lot.
break. It's breaking the low now.
Because Wednesday Wednesday or Tuesday you're already up like 17.5%, man.
You know.
No, GJ.
Yeah, I mean, one could take the
have a
entry.
good week.
Mhm.
I need 2 pips more and I close everything.
You're probably gonna get that. Man, Marco's just two winning trades based on 5 minutes. What a savage.
One pip more.
But Marcus,
Yeah.
how did you dare to
Close.
sell into that support? Like, did you just thought volume is going to crush it?
Oh, you're there,
That was a
Marcos.
good thing. Yeah.
What a savage.
I close 80% of my first position, half a runner to the very low of the structure. I put the TP so far. I put the TP at 146.6.
Yeah. Wait, but Marcos,
Right, right.
did you expect
Yeah.
once that 5-minute low got broken, did you expect price to just break this entire structure?
Because 1 minute.
This.
Because if you look at the higher time frames, 4-hour time frame, and also daily,
Yeah.
we are at that resistance. So if you look at 30-minute, 5-minute, it closed behind the support. So I
Yeah.
expect a little volume coming into the market. So when it broke the 5-minute low, I enter another position. But my idea was based on high time frame.
Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense, man. That's a good trade right there. So
My trades are based on high time frame.
yeah.
High time.
How many losses did you get this week?
Sorry, I don't hear you. I
How
have
many
problem with my.
how many losses did you take this week?
Let me look on the phone. I have one loss on gold on Monday, but I have 8 pip loss.
Okay. How many wins do you
I
have
th-
from this week? How many trades did you take? I mean, how many trades did you take? Yeah.
Let me look.
Yeah, sure.
1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $70 trades.
Bro, and you only lost one.
Yeah.
That's a good one, bro. That's a good one.
17 trades?
17 and 1 loss. 17 trades and 1 loss. How many break-evens?
Yeah, I have 3 break-evens at GBP and 3 break-evens at gold. I think I have a loss because on gold I close at break-even and the commission,
Yeah.
I consider this a loss because the commission is bigger than the break-even.
And
You're a savage, man. You're a savage.
it's crazy.
11 wins. 11 wins. Only 1 loss. 6 break-evens. That's insane, man. That's good. That's really good.
So you're taking like 3-4 trades a day almost.
Yeah, I stack trades, I play with the range. When price is in a range, I take normally sells or buy at the very low of the range and very high of the range, and I play with the price. If goes to the downside of the range, I start taking another trades to the breakout of the range and retest the previous range.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm explaining correctly.
Yeah, you hold from zone to zone.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun to see.
Trades.
I've seen you grow like this. Like at the beginning, you're sick of the losses and sick of the group as well, and now you just found your way to trade and succeeding.
All my trades are based on high time frame.
Yeah.
For me, the 4-hour candle is the best confirmation for me. Also, I'm looking for 1 hour time frame also, and if all these time frames are aligned, it's for me a better confluence to take the trade.
Yeah.
It's really pulling back now, crazy.
Yeah.
On the 15 minutes, it can just be the retest.
Yeah, pretty much. Let's see. I'm more focused on that 1 hour and 30-minute candle. I don't really mind about that 15 at the moment. So I just want to see price close below 430 for me to take sells. So yeah, got 6 minutes left for that to happen. If it happens, it happens. Otherwise, it's going to be a no trade day. Yeah. Doesn't look that clear at the moment. But hopefully this is a retest and this next candle by a minute just starts going down. Close below these levels.
In high time frame, we need a correct of all the move of GBP from the 3-4 weeks, previous weeks. We have
sorry. Keep going.
Yeah, go ahead, Marcos.
I think we have an how to say overbought market now on GBP.
Yeah.
And I think we need a huge correct because price can go to the upside every week, and next week breaks the previous. And I think we need a break.
Yeah, look at this. 1, 2.
Next week is going to be the big short. Maybe.
Maybe. Yeah, we're at an important level now, so you know.
Yeah. But if you look to the previous 8 weeks or 9 weeks, all weeks are bullish and breaks the previous high and the previous high. And the correct will be very huge.
See,
yeah, exactly.
Got this 30-minute closing in 3 minutes. But the 15 is closing bullish.
Yeah, I don't really mind if the 1 hour is still bearish. That's for me.
Yeah, and the last 5 minute of this 15-minute and 1 hour is also seems like it's closing bearish.
Yeah, the good thing is, even though this 50 minutes closing bearish, it is creating a small point.
Manage risk.
Yeah. So.
Oh,
Oh,
it's,
never mind.
it's
Never
my
mind.
Out the window. What? Wow.
it's my runner stop loss.
Yeah. Just push. Damn.
That's about fake outs today.
Yeah, we got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. Let's see what it does. It closes below, yes or no. It did make a nice place to manage risk on, though. I've got to be honest with you, that 15-minute candle could be a nice place to manage risk on, but it has to close below, like, at least 420 around that level, because otherwise it's just rejecting.
I think it's rejecting daily wicks on left. I
Yes.
think it's a powerful level.
Yeah, so that's why I wanted to close further down, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. It does. 1 minute, 25 seconds left. It looks like candle's gonna flip, nearly.
Yeah.
5 minutes not looking good. 1 minute, and we have to drop 6 pips.
Yeah, you
Oh,
know,
wait.
if the next 15-minute closes below, then I think that's also.
Yeah, that could be a confirmation, 100%. But let's see. But that 30 minutes still needs to close bearish, though.
Yeah.
Ooh.
But what if this in the last minute closes below? Are we
Yeah,
still
then I
gonna
take it.
Else? Okay.
Then I take it.
Yeah, because then the 5 minute is bearish.
Yeah, all
Kinda
times we're turning bearish then, at that point.
Yeah, kind of similar situation to yesterday.
Yeah. So that's looking.
Managing risk is gonna be hard, right?
Yeah, just 15 pips around that.
In the trade we take before was a very risky trade. I think the most safe trade is waiting for a clear breakout and then a clear retest to this previous level.
Yeah, I'm not going to take this on a Friday.
No, it just shut up.
And,
Yeah.
Yep.
and also it's Friday, so
And we could consider it a breakout in a fake out. So this just 50-50 now.
Oh, that last shut up. You're nasty, GJ. It was gonna close lower. It was gonna close around like 425, and last second, oop, 2 pips up. But basically, you wait for a 15, you already have a 20 pip range to fill. I mean a 10 pip range to fill if you close at 380. So that could be an entry right there. So I'm gonna close, wait 15 minutes, and if this all doesn't happen in the 15 minutes, I'm out. Probably. Yeah.
Good
Yep.
fill that wick.
Yeah, looking for that 15 to close, and then. But I want this 1 hour to reach base a bit though.
Minute it looks like a good break and retest.
Yeah,
But
that's
the
what I'm
5
looking
minutes.
at as well. Yeah, yeah. If this 15 closes like this, there's a probability of just filling that wick all the way down. But that's what I'm looking for.
Wouldn't like this to have a top wick, but
Gonna base my stop loss as well on a 15-minute candle. You know what could be a good confirmation as well if this 15 closes below 360.
Oh yeah.
Because then you close just below that 15-minute support.
Yeah, we should easily hit the 0.200 with this momentum. And wait, let's see. Yeah, probably break below 200 as well. Come back down to that range we were in at 0.800 yesterday.
Yeah.
I think if breaks the previous 50-minute high, I think
Yeah, then everything is out
we
the
are
window.
in the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are in the right zone. Today works fine trade inside the range. I think the perfect trade today was the break of the previous 1 hour or 1 hour time frame.
Yeah, right
Yeah,
here, 600.
But I think it's ultra risky.
Yep, because it broke the high of one.
Yeah.
What I want to see is I want to see this 15-minute candle close at 400. And then first target is the wick. But it's not allowed to break its own eye. It's not allowed to break the previous eye. Let's see what 10 minutes can bring us. Because this 15-minute will be pretty much the retest. New 5-minute just opened.
I'm really tempted to go short.
Yeah,
Just manage risk real tight, like on the 5-minute, like 2 or 3 pips, close 80% if it does.
Yeah.
No, no, no. No, no, no.
Nice, Marcos.
Wait, what?
I don't know if you saw what Marcos sent, the link he sent.
Oh. Image. Let's see. Let's see what he said.
It's like what we were talking about this earlier.
is breaking on 5 minute the structure. I think price was in the range. And
though it's unconventional, has helped me how the economic machine works in 30 minutes. The economy works like a simple machine.
Who's watching that video?
Or they don't agree on how it works. And this has led to a lot of needless economic.
Yeah, it looks like we're not gonna have a trade today. But if we don't close below.
For me, it's done. I have to leave in some minutes, so.
Yeah, I have to go to work, right?
Yeah. By the way, guys, do you know of anybody in the Slack group that's from Sweden, or do you have Swedish friends or something?
Not really.
Okay. I'm really thinking about like living in Sweden.
We're gonna move.
Yeah, because I don't know, man. It's the only country it's not this crazy Corona insane stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, and what are you gonna do with your apartment and rent it out as well?
The one that I have here.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe just cancel it. Do you say it like this?
Wait, what?
Just cancel it. So just leave
okay,
it behind.
Yeah, leave it behind.
Yeah. Maybe just spend the summer in Sweden and read lots of articles in the last days, and they just live in a normal life.
Yeah.
I don't really expect it to come back anytime in Germany, so.
Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's do this.
These crazy motherfuckers want to keep the power they have now. Yeah. Oh yeah, okay, we're on the live stream. Sorry for these words.
Relax.
Yeah. Man, I'm really getting emotional now about this whole Corona topic.
I could understand. You know, what bothers me the most is I used to go out, and not like to clubs, but I used to hang out or do stuff in the night. Night times, I'm always outside, and just for myself, just to drive or just going somewhere or something. And
are you still not allowed to go out?
In the night, no. So,
Yeah,
bro, everyone goes. In the afternoon, everyone is with each other. Everyone is with each other in the store. Doesn't even make any sense. Yeah. And then at 9 o'clock, they expect people to get Corona. I'm like, bro, what do you mean?
Yeah, the thing is, all this stuff, it's just not logical. You just have to get that they're just doing it to demonstrate power, like just to suppress people.
Yeah,
just step by step by step, even more and more. It's going to be a forever lockdown. Really.
You have a lockdown in your city or your country right now?
Yeah. I mean, at least I can be outside whenever I want, but everything is closed. So, yeah.
I'm not taking any vaccine.
No.
Yeah, I'd rather get corona.
Yeah, sure.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, it just doesn't make sense. They want to vaccinate all the people for like corona is not a real danger for us,
No, for
for
me, it is.
the young people. Yeah.
Well, I was infected in August and I was very sick.
Yeah,
So
but that's it. It's like, yeah, being very sick is okay. Like, or did you have really like very severe stuff? More than fever or stuff?
Marcos,
I have more than fever. I have muscular pain, fever. I have problems with breath.
Mm-hmm.
But in 10 days, all was okay. But I need 2 months to recover full 100%. So
I mean, it's definitely worse than like the seasonal flu. Really
yeah.
is.
yeah,
But
yeah,
it's
but the thing is, the only person I know that died from it was already super sick. You know,
yeah.
had cancer, had this, had heart problems, had whatever you can name it. He had it. You
Yeah.
know,
And they just don't have the right to like kill all those like they're killing the economy totally.
I know. I have a lot of friends of me that have stores, have
Yeah.
restaurants,
Yeah.
have most of them have restaurants, but
They're
these
gone.
restaurants are they're not surviving. I've got one friend. He lives really close to me as well. He has a hairdressing store, bro.
Mhm.
It's over. As soon as over, it's done.
Yeah.
You're in debt. You're in debt. And the fun fact, in the beginning of this year, they ask you, they send a letter to you again if you have your own company. Here is the tax you got to pay forward. And that's full tax they ask you, and you only normally they give you like a percentage off if you pay it directly. Like let's say like you can choose to pay it over a 12-month period, or you
Yeah.
choose to pay it directly. And if you pay it directly, you most of the time get like 4%, 5% discount. Now what this is, oh, if you pay it directly, you get €1 discount. €1. Even if you make
Bruh.
a million, €1. That's how sad. That's how
Sometimes I'm
sad the government
really
is.
asking myself if they're really trying to joke people.
That's a joke. That's an insult to everyone that
Yeah.
has his
Yeah.
own company. That's an insult. Even companies that are making millions have €1 discount. That's nasty. That's
And all
not.
these government aids, they're just not like they're not getting paid out. Nobody gets them really. So even all these big
Yeah,
franchise restaurants, even they are fighting now.
yeah. But it's you know
And
for the economy. I know it's all people getting sick, all this and that. 100%. I understand people are dying. Not fun. It's not good. But the economy as well. So there's more people now getting homeless, getting their stores ruined because no one is
yeah,
allowed to get in. But if you look at the supermarket, everyone is standing together. So why can't the store not be open when there's only
yeah.
one or two or three people in, and the supermarket can be open? Like it doesn't make any sense.
I can just say, look to Sweden, do your research, and
Yeah,
it just doesn't make sense what everybody's doing.
yeah.
There is something behind it. There is something behind it, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, personally, I never believed in this when it came. I always made a joke about it, but
Yeah, me too.
you know, I know it can be real. 100%, people are dying from it. 100%, it's bad. It's not good, but it's not as far from as bad as they tell you it is.
No, really not.
But what do you think is a natural virus or is made in a
I,
laboratory?
for me, it's 50-50. Because if you read those, there was a book as well that had the exact same situation written on it. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't. Personally, for me, it's a question mark. It's 50-50. Or it's made or it's not. Or it's an accidental issue. But one thing I know is that it's far too overhyped by
Yes.
all of
Now
those institutes.
I'm a little worried. I think the general virus now is I think medical care can combat general virus, but I'm a little worried about the new variations of the virus, Brazil variation, and Mexican. I think is more aggressive and can make
Yeah, but
more
I don't
damage.
understand. Why is there different? Why is there different types of them coming? How? You know, of Ebola, there wasn't types of Ebola coming, right?
The genetic of the virus changes in the time. If you are, I have to write this because I think it's hard to me to explain in English.
Yeah.
But I think is the variation of the virus is normally because a lot of people infected by virus, and I have to type this in English because it's hard to me to explain.
Yeah,
Okay.
I understand what you mean.
You know what I don't understand as well? Here in the Netherlands, you have to stay away from each other 1.5 meters and have a mask on.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, I never have a mask on, man.
Next-
If they tell,
Next
they-
month, they tell you to put on 2 masks.
Yeah, they really do, man. And the thing is, like, viruses change all the time. It's in their nature, you know, and they're
Yeah.
just making business out of it. I'm guessing, my guess is they're bringing new vaccines every 6 to 12 months now
And I ain't taking
for
one.
the new variations. And trust me, this is going to happen, man. This is a big business.
The nature of the virus is survive, so we need to change every month, every week
Yeah,
to
the only thing we can
to
do is
perfect.
just keep on living. Just keep on living.
Yeah.
And not care so much about this shit. Really, I could start crying about it. Fucking hell. Okay, guys. Anyways, I have to leave. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
See you Monday.
See you
Stay
Monday,
safe,
man.
stay
Good luck at
healthy.
work.
Take care.
Good work, my man. Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream by this one because it looks like we're just respecting this support. So,
yeah.
yeah, guys, thank you all for tuning in. Thank you for the likes on the gram. Thank you for the subs as well. And thank you for the Zoom people that tuned in as well. And I hope you guys enjoy the weekend. So,
Thank you, everyone.
yeah, man. Bye-bye, guys.
Just relax, enjoy.
Thanks,
Have a
Luke.
nice,
Yeah, man.
Bye-bye.
have a nice weekend.
Have a nice weekend, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you. You too.